Welcome to Math tutorial. Now the next problem is question 1F. Find area bounded by the curve y is equal to x cube, comma x-axis and the ordinate x is equal to 1 to x is equal to 3. Solution. We use the formula as area is equal to A is equal to integral of a to b y dx. Here a, b are the ordinate of x, that is from a to b. This is the formula. So area is equal to integral of 1 to 3 x cube dx. Here x is from 1 to 3. So a is 1 and b is 3. And y is equal to x cube is the given curve. So put y is equal to x cube dx. So this is the just formulate. Now we solve the integral. We use the formula as integration of x raised to n dx is x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. So integral x raised to 3 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 and the limit from 1 to 3. X raised to 3 plus 1 becomes 4. So x raised to 4 upon 4 and limit from 1 to 3. Now we put the upper limit minus then lower limit, that is 3 raised to 4 divided by 4 minus 1 raised to 4 divided by 4. This is 81 by 4 minus 1 by 4. 4 is common, so 81 minus 1 is 80 divided by 4 and it is equal to 20. So this 20 is the required solution, that is area bounded by the curve is 20. Thank you for watching.